Guys, let's make Korean style spicy smoky potato noodles. But before that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the recipe. Hi guys, I'm Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. Take 2 potatoes. These are medium sized potatoes. Peel them off, then wash them under running water and chop them roughly in any shape or size you want. Then allow some water to boil, and once it reaches the boiling temperature, dump in all the chopped potatoes into boiling water. Let them boil for 5 minutes, then simmer the gas and place the lid for 2-3 more minutes. Once the potatoes become soft, strain them and discard all the excess water. Now transfer all the potatoes in a bowl and with the help of a fork or a potato masher, mash them until creamy smooth. You can also grate the boiled potatoes for that creamy texture. Then add a cup of cornstarch on mashed potatoes and knead it to form a soft dough. Once the dough is ready, take out a small portion of the dough and roll it up into a ball. Then with the help of any bottle cap or bottle itself, make a shape by pressing it on the dough ball. See, like so. Then we need to boil them until cooked completely. Give it a stir in between. Once they are nicely cooked, take them out in a bowl and start adding few of the spices. Add some red chili. You can also take chili flakes, minced or crushed garlic, salt to your taste, dark soy sauce, red chili sauce which is optional, toasted white sesame seeds. You can also add some scallion or green onion greens and cilantro or coriander leaves, and then top it up with some bubbling hot oil. Guys, just be very careful at this step as the oil is fiery hot here. This step will give you that restaurant style smoky effect and taste at home itself. Then toss it up with fork or a chopstick and your mouth-watering Korean spicy and smoky potato noodles are absolutely ready to be digged in. So if you liked my recipe, please give a thumbs up. Bye.